Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to log someone out of your Snapchat account. If you suspect unauthorized access, follow these steps. Open Snapchat and tap on the profile icon at the top left. Tap at the gear icon at the top right to access settings. Scroll down and find two-factor authentication toward the bottom. Tap on it. Under the last option, Forget Devices, choose Lose access to one of the verified devices. You will see a list of devices. Tap the X next to any device that doesn't belong to you and confirm by selecting Yes. Now, if someone tries to access your Snapchat account from their removed device, they will need to go through the login process again. For added security, consider changing your password. You can do this by going in the password section and updating it to ensure the authorized user no longer has access. I hope this helps. Thank you for your time and I will see you in the next one.